Welcome to RVS. Okay, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to see the work table. Okay, what what is work table? After creating the work object to make the flow executable, so there is a table, means work table is generating in rule base to store the entire data, whatever we are getting on the screen. So we are entering the data, but it should store somewhere, right? It will store in rule base. So how the rule base, creating the new table for this data. These and all things I'll cover in upcoming videos, but I'll show you how to check that rule base in this video. Okay, I'll show you how to check the rule base. uh, okay, this is also called work class. So what is work? We can simply tell the definition. Work object is nothing but work object is a virtual entity, okay, which will be generated by executing the work class. We can also say work object is nothing but it will make the flow executable. Where is that flow? Flow is created in work class. This is called work class. So work object makes the work in work class executable. That's it. Okay, whatever. I'll show you how to open that Postgres. It's loading here. This is the PG admin. Okay, let it load. I'll show you. So if you see this, this is one ID. Okay, so this ID is also called as case ID. So we'll call transact work ID or case ID. So work object is nothing but a case. We can say it's a case. So it can be identified by using case ID or work ID, work object ID. Okay. If it open, I'll show you how to go to the table, but waiting for PG admin 4 to start. Okay. All right. So how to go here is I'll show you. Schema, open schemas. See, right click on here, view first 100 rows. This is the way to see this. Okay. So whatever the transaction we are making, the data will store here. So for it, for how to go it, simple. We need to open PG admin 4 and then we need to go to schemas, then data, then we can see the all these tables. Okay, but I have already created it. If you don't create it, just do right click, register, server, click on it. Here name, it should come, whatever the name you want, you can give. So after giving the name, no, see, you have to click on connection. You can give the name something, Pega 95 something, whatever you can give. Sorry, not Pega, Pega. Okay. So when we installed it, we have changed the port 5433 you can give. So username is Postgres and password is Postgres. You can save it. Then you will get a screen like this. Okay. Now I have already done it, so I'm not doing it. If you want to see it, you can do it first. Then changes will be lost. Yes. After that, you will get a screen like this. So you can open it, database, from database schemas, from schemas, data, from data, we can see the all the tables, whatever which are created while creating the work object. Okay, that's it. So see, so as of now 16 transactions initiated. I'll do one more transaction. We'll see how. So I'm executing again, actions, run. So I'm making one more transaction here. Let it load. So register. I executed. So one more ID generated. So as of now 16 transactions are there. Now it should be 17. So as of now 16 transactions are there. The last transaction ID is, you can see the transaction ID. PYID you can see C7. Okay. But what I want is one more transaction I have initiated. Click on run here. Now you will see 17. Okay, earlier it was 16. One more transaction initiated. Okay. This is PYID, transaction ID. Okay. That's how open the Postgres by using this one. Okay. How to see the rule base, not database. In normal SQL we call database. In Pega we'll call rule base. Okay.